Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the fingerprint sensor not working on Motorola Moto G67. First, try the sensor again, but if it's not working, take a microfiber cloth and clean the sensor. Try again, and if it's still not working, go into Settings. Scroll down to Security and Privacy, then Device Unlock, and go into Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Go into Fingerprint Settings and delete the existing fingerprint. Then set up a new fingerprint by touching the sensor, lifting your finger a few times in different positions to capture your whole finger. Done. Now it's working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.